Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will be downloading the latest version of Python, which is 3.11.4. And to complement that and write our programs, we'll also be downloading the latest version of the Pycharm community. Okay, so first thing you want to do, go to Google, type in Python download, and the first link that should pop up is the official page. So you want to click that. Here it should recognize what operating system you're using. I'm doing this on Windows. You can do this on Mac as well. So go ahead and download the installer, and I'm just going to open it up here. Okay, so now in this, I like to go through the custom installation so that I can download it to a different location. So here I'll click custom and keep all these default settings the same. I'll install it for all my users. And this is an important feature. You want to try to add it to your environment variables so that you don't have to explicitly do that later. This location looks good to me, program files. So you want to save it to a C program files location because that's usually where most of your programs get downloaded. And I'll go ahead and install. So now that that's done and the setup was successful, I can close this. And the best way to check is opening up the command prompt. So you can just type cmd within your search bar at the bottom. And here I'm going to type Python -- version. And now you can see that it gives me the latest version, Python 3.11.4 has been installed. So now you have Python on your machine. And let's also download Pycharm. So I'm going back to my browser and I'll just type in Pycharm download community. So you can go to the official link and here they will give you the download for the executable and it should start downloading immediately. I'll give this a second to download. Once the download is complete, you can go ahead and open it and you can go through the Pycharm setup, which is also straightforward. You can click next. Make sure that it's saving to your program files location. If not, you can browse and save it to C program files. Click next. If you want to, you can add a shortcut to your desktop. You can add this path variable or you can update this path variable as required, and then you can leave this the way it is and click install. So let that happen. And meanwhile, I already have Pycharm installed on my machine. So let me show you how to set up a new environment for a project. So I have some other program running here. So once you open up Pycharm, you can create project. You can click create project and select the location that you want to save your project to. It could be on your C drive. So I'm just placing this on my C drive and I'll call it Python sample project. And you want to set up a new virtual environment. And the interpreter should also be in the location that you have installed your program to. So C program files. And then you can go ahead and click create. And it should give you an environment setup like this with all of your basic information. And if all of this seems a little too intimidating, all you can do is remove everything that's there. And we can go ahead and type our first program, which will be print hello world. And we can run this main method. And as you can see, we have printed our first program called hello world. Now, to create within your project, you can right click and create new directories, which will create new folders where you can put more Python files. You can create Python files within this project. So if I created another Python file and I named it hello name, I have a project called hello name. I have a Python file called hello name. And here I can just print hello name on this program. You actually have to make sure that you're not running the old file. Make sure you're running this new one. So right click and click run hello name. So here you can write hello and you can write your name. So that should set you up to do a bunch of programming in Python. Now that we've installed Python into our C program files and we've also installed our IDE, we looked at how to create a new project and we looked at how to print hello world as your first program. So in the further videos, we'll discuss more in depth about how to program in Python and we'll go through all the different topics. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.